In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to cut this stylish Basque underbust princess dart gown with gather.
This dress is from Modest Salam, and to join our WhatsApp group, go ahead to send us a message on WhatsApp. So to start, I've gone ahead to mark out all my basic measurements, which includes my shoulder to bust, under bust, waist, and I marked my hip point. So now let's take this dress as this pattern as my full length, and let's say my full length is 45 inches. So next, you're going to mark your shoulder divided by 2 and add half. You're going to come down by 1 inch from there, and you're going to place your ruler and draw out a slanted line. Place your tape. To find your chest line is your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches. Now, I'll go ahead to draw out a straight line. After drawing out a straight line, go ahead to measure your shoulder divided by 2 and mark and add half inch to it. That is what we have on the shoulder. Go ahead to place your ruler and draw out a straight line. Now you're going to place your tape and you're going to fold it into 2. From this point, you're going to come out by half inch. On the chest line, mark your bust circumference divided by 4, and after that, go ahead to connect from that point to the midpoint and from the midpoint to the upper part of your pattern. So after you're done marking that, the next step is to start marking your dart intake. Now I'm going to mark my nipple to nipple divided by 2, and I'm going to stop this at the waistline. Now I'm going to go ahead to draw out a straight line at this part. So I'll be marking a dart intake of 1 inch on both sides.
Since it's a princess dart, you can mark half inch at the front part and mark 1.5 at the other side. For a plus size, you can decide to mark 1.5 inches at both sides or 1 inch in front and 2 inches at the other side. Place your curved drill and connect this all the way to your underbust this way. And after this, I'll go ahead and use my marker to outline my pattern to make it visible. So after you're done marking this, I'll go ahead to outline my waistline because the basque will be starting from that point. Next, you're going to divide your armhole into 2. After marking that, you're going to go ahead to connect from this point all the way to your bust line. That is the nipple to nipple line on your bust line. Mark half inch on this part and half inch at the lower part. You want to connect this to the main line of your pattern. After you're done connecting, go ahead to use your marker to outline and also outline the other side. So this half inch we took out at this side, you're going to go ahead to replace it at this side. So half plus half will give you 1. Go ahead to blend it to your armhole. Mark out your shoulder, and what you're going to do next is to go ahead to mark your neckline. I'll mark 3 inches here. Place my tape. If you notice the neckline is a bit